Today we're going to beat the record on geometry-io. So the cloud score, high score table, the first place guy is a guy called Griff Patch, and 968 points. I think that's the max you can get on Stereo Madness. So let's just try and beat it real quick. So doing pretty good so far. Should be able to beat it. Pretty easy so far, actually. I'm focusing. Oh, you can also hold your mouse to like you get like a. Oh, we're in the spaceship. The spaceship is so weird. Oh, I'm using spacebar as well. No! We're back at the spaceship part. It's taking like 5 years to get here. Oh, let's actually try and get past it this time. So, oh yeah, let's go. 400 points. We surpassed 400 points. Let's get this little coin here. Doing good so far, boys. Let's get it. Oh. Let's try a different level. Back on track. Okay, let's go. Starting off on back on track. See how good we do here? I love how low quality this is compared to the actual game now. It's kind of like a rip-off version of the actual game, but it's actually like free, so like that's why I'm just playing it. This is a really weird video, so subscribe please, because I'm desperate and I need subs for because I don't have a life and I need subs. So So apparently there's only 3 levels. They didn't make the actual like full game. So I guess let's just play Polargeist. I mean, sorry if the quality's bad because like I've never used the screen recorder before and like, okay, why do I suck? Let's go. Let's do this. We got this. Let's beat my best score here. Because my best score is 127. Okay, we already beat it. Let's go. We're going for world record. I beat the world record in geometry-io. I suck. What? Wait. That took me so long to get there. Why? Subscribe or you will die in all of your next Geometry Dash games. Like, just please do it. Bye! Let's hit 70 subs. Please. 70 subs! Please!